What's up guys, and welcome to our first video on Crash to Cash, where we take damaged vehicles and repair them for cash. Now today we have here a 2017 Subaru WRX that we bought from Copart on the auction. As you can see, came with no hood, but everything seems to be intact except for this airflow sensor is missing from here. But it is fairly clean. If I can hook up the body terminal, show you guys. The interior. All the airbags are intact. It's a 6-speed 2.0 turbo. The damage isn't too bad. We already ordered parts, tail lights, rear bumper cover, the absorber. On the side it has just a little slight kink on the side. Our body shop guy will take care of that. And the front we got the hood missing, headlights, front bumper cover, the grille. But it's really in really good shape. Now with the airflow sensor being missing, we're going to try and see if the vehicle will start. So stay tuned. So right now we're going to try and give the Subaru WRX a start and crank it and see if it will roll over and start up. Okay, it didn't crank over there. I'll try it again. Okay, so it started up. Runs pretty decent, even with the airflow sensor missing. It runs really alright. Maybe got some lights on the dashboard. That's all the stuff missing, you know. That's 58,000 miles on it. We'll have this one put together in no time. Now we look in the back and you can see we got a couple pieces of parts in the back here. We got two headlights, and you can polish these up. One there. We got these panels here. The headlight brackets seem to be in pretty good shape. And we got another headlight here. The black bezel, LED trim around it. These both are in good shape. Use those. If you come on here with me, you can see the floor pan is bent way down here, and the exhaust is broken off on that side. The muffler is off the vehicle, so we have to get that also. And but the floor pan is pretty bad. We buy a complete new one of those, change that. And it's bent right here. Rear body panel. Other than that, I think it's in really good shape. Yeah, in the trunk we got the spare tire. Somebody's old tag. Yeah, bought it in South Carolina. And that's Subaru rubber mat. Not bad. It's a good buy we got from Copart. So you stay tuned as we complete this build.